me, you're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Similar to what we did like with the Israel car, where we just went increments on the passes, first, second, third, show maybe a burnout video or two, doesn't have to do all the burnouts, and then obviously the time slips and everything like that. So in terms of the orientation and all that other stuff.
I got an idea.
Okay.
What are y'all talking about? The 01 video deal?
Yeah.
Yeah. I got a fucking idea. I gotta get a drink of water. It's hot as fuck out there. Let's put an LT4 blower back on the shop car. Take the Procharger off. No, hear me out.
What?
Let's put a stock blower back on the car. Take the Procharger off and put like a badass ported stock blower back on the car.
For what reason?
You know, just to steal that 8-second pass away.
We went 8 to that 3 years ago.
Yeah, I know.
With the LT4 blower record?
Yeah. I know we went 8's first before anybody else. I get that. I want to go 8's first before anybody else with an LT4 blower on the car.
So we're going to go from 1,500 horsepower to 850 or 900 horsepower.
Yeah, like 900 horsepower. It's going to take 900.
This bitch is going to feel broken.
It's going to be broken. You don't like that idea?
No, not at all. I want to go.
What if it goes 9-0s?
Oh, that would be frustrating.
Would we talk about it?
No, I hope not.
Yeah. We wouldn't be able to tell anybody about it.
No, I wouldn't talk about it. Not in that car. I want to go after the world. You trying to go after the LT4 blower record?
Yeah, like this many guys?
Yeah.
There's like this many guys. Yeah, I get it. We built the car to go after this many guys.
Yeah.
But it turns out we were only going after one guy. So I want to go after like these guys.
So you just want to bully everybody?
Yeah. With one car, basically.
All the records?
Yeah, all the records.
I like it.
Yeah, the boost record, the half-mile record, the LT4 record. I would get the gray car record.
Yeah, we got that.
I don't know what else record. We could probably make up records all day long. The internet does it, so we could join them and do it also.
Fastest stock blower, A, LT4, black car on a Sunday. How many asterisks can we put behind this record?
I mean, you just put asterisk infinite behind it. You just fucking keep going. Like you just like do lines of asterisks and then just dot. We're like to be continued. You just keep on with it.
I can hear people now.
Does it sound like this?
Yeah.
Like the noise I make?
That's exactly what it sounds
sure.
like. Who's in their race car? Or blah, blah, blah.
No, it's definitely a street car. It's still registered as a street car.
Yeah, I know. You can hear it now.
It sounds like a race car.
Yo! Damn! Fuck! Damn!
Alright, we're putting that one.
All the records. Yeah. All the fucking records. Just to be clear, that was the factory OEM LT4 blower world record. Boost only. First one to run 8's and clearly went deeper. What did it run? I don't even know what it ran. I know it was 8's.
872, 56.